folks, this is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you can use burst mode in iOS 14 on your iPhone. For those unfamiliar with burst mode, you can take several photos in quick succession. Times when you want to capture a lot of photos at once, burst mode comes into play. With iOS 14, Apple has slightly tweaked the way you capture photos in burst mode. So let's see how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any update from us. With iOS 14, you can capture burst photos using the volume up button on your iPhone, but make sure that this option is enabled in the settings. To do it, launch Settings app, then scroll down and select camera, and then make sure that the toggle for use volume up for burst is on. That's pretty much it. From now onwards, you'll be able to capture burst using volume up button on your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button to capture several photos in succession, just like this. So that's the way you can use burst mode in iOS 14 on your iPhone. Really, Apple has once again simplified the way burst mode works, and I find this new way pretty helpful, as it should always be. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.